Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to draw a circle and a line on the canvas in Android. Now in this video I will show you how to draw an arc on the canvas. So here I have this class called SKView which extends view, and in this class I have a paint variable called myPaint, and I have these two int variables, view width and view height, which are set to 0 here. Then I have the constructor for this view, which is public SKView context super context, and in this constructor I define the myPaint as new paint. Now after this I have the onDraw method, at override protected void onDraw canvas. In this onDraw method I define view width as this dot get measured width, which is width of the view. Then I define view height as this dot get measured height, which is height of the view. Then I set a background color for the view by writing canvas.draw color dot parse color, and has BBBFF. So this will be the background color. Now after that, for the myPaint I set the style to paint.style.fill, and for myPaint I set the color to color.red. Now I will use this red color to draw an arc. For drawing arc we need a square in which we will draw the arc, and we need the start angle and sweep angle. So first I will draw the square. I will get the side of the square. So for that I will create a new int variable here, int side, and I will set this to 0 initially, and here I will not be using these codes for drawing line and circle, so I'll just remove this. So now I will find if width is more or height is more for the view. So I will check if view width is more than view height. If view width is more than view height, then I will set this side to view height, which is the smaller one, into 4 by 5. So this will be side will be 4/5 of the view height, and then this closing curly bracket, and then else. So else means if view width is not more than view height, means view height is more than view width, then I will set side to, this time I will set it to view width into 4 by 5, and then the closing curly bracket. Okay, so this is the side. Now after defining the side we need start angle, which will be a float start angle. I will set this to 0. Then I will define another float called sweep angle. Float sweep angle, and I will set this to 120. And now I will draw the arc by writing canvas dot draw arc. First the left border of the square. So left border of the square will be view width by 2 minus side by 2. It should be in the center, so that's why I am putting it as view width by 2 minus side by 2. Here I will put this view width by 2 in a bracket and side by 2 in another bracket. So this is the left border of the square. Now the top border of the square, that will be view height by 2 minus side by 2. View height by 2 minus side by 2. After this, the right border, which will be view width by 2, this time it will be plus side by 2, and the bottom border will be view height by 2, view height by 2 plus side by 2. So this is the square. Now the start angle, which is this 0, and then the sweep angle, which is 120, then include center in the square, so that I will set to true, comma, the paint which will be used to draw this, that will be my paint, and then I close this. So this will draw an arc with start angle 0 and sweep angle 120. Now I will draw another arc with a different color. So the previous arc was color red. For the new arc, I will set the color of this paint to color dot green, and I will set the start angle. I will set start angle to start angle plus sweep angle. It will be start angle plus sweep angle, and I will change the sweep angle also. I will set sweep angle to the previous sweep angle plus 120. So the previous sweep angle was already 120, and this will be plus 120, means this sweep angle will be 240, and the previous arc is at 120. So if I combine these two, it will make a complete circle 360. So after this, I will draw this arc. I have already set the start angle to the previous start angle plus previous sweep angle, so it will start at the place at the angle where the previous arc ends. I will just paste it here, and this will draw an arc in the same square with a different start angle. This start angle will be at the place where the previous sweep angle ends, and then there will be a new sweep angle which is 240, and include center true, and then my paint. And let's check this. Let's use this in Sketchware. In Sketchware, I have this linear for which I have set padding to 0, and this is linear 1. Now I have this more block extra in which I have closing curly bracket in beginning and opening curly bracket in end, and in between I will paste this code. Now I will create the view in onCreate, and I will add it to linear 1. So here I will write linear 1 dot add view new SK view, linear 1 dot add view new SK view, this. Now let's check this. So here you can see that there are two arcs. One is red in color, and this is 120 degree. Second arc is green in color, and this is 240 degree. Together they make 360 degree. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.